So I got this question about moving averages. Which moving averages do I like to use the best and why? And I thought I would outline it for you. So there's actually 6 moving averages, and we'll stick to daily charts for the sake of this video. There's 6 moving averages that I like to use. I like to use the 5, the 10, and the 21 E.M.As. I also like to use the 50 and 200 S.M.A. And then over here, the 100 E.M.A. And you might be saying, well, why in the heck those? Well, the reason why comes from the people that were my earliest mentors. So we've got Ed Seykota, we've got Steve Burns, and we've got William O'Neill. Now, Ed Seykota, if you're familiar with the book Market Wizards, he's in there. He explains a lot about what he does and why he does it, and there's other work that you could read from him as well. If you study Ed Seykota, one of the things that he likes to use is trend following with moving averages, and these are the ones that he uses. So, maybe I could put that into my analysis, right? Then saw Steve Burns, who, unless if you're living under a rock, you probably know who Steve Burns is. It's kind of hard not to find him if you're in the trading space and you have an Instagram account or a Twitter account, or I'm pretty sure he's on YouTube as well, but like the guy is everywhere, or at least appears on lots of different shows. He follows the same ones. Great. My first mentor, William O'Neill, he actually only uses the 50 and the 200, and I've got a little asterisk over here by the 21 because I actually don't remember him mentioning it in his book, How to Make Money in Stocks, but it was something that was taught at the Advanced Level Chart School and Market School by Investors Business Daily, which is his company. So if he's not personally using it, then he at least blesses that idea. And so the idea of moving averages is it's a couple of things, right? Like you get the idea from the people that mentor you, and then it's going to be up to us to figure out, well, do we want to hold on to this set of beliefs, or these rules or these moving averages, or do we want to use something else? Like, well, what's going to serve us and our trading goals the best? So we come up with that answer. And for me, what I wanted to do, I wanted to follow trends just like all these guys. And part of what I wanted to do as well was to have a mechanism where I'm not just going to sit in a trade forever if it's just moving sideways, moving sideways, moving sideways. Yeah, it didn't do anything wrong, it didn't fall down, but it didn't give me the upward momentum that I was hoping for. A great way to get out of a trade is with these moving averages. And so you could have tighter moving averages like the 5 or the 10 E.M.A. That if it starts to break below those, then you start to scale out of a position. And then I'm using all of them, right? Like I'm predominantly using the 5, the 10, and the 21 on most trades because, well, I'm trading high momentum growth stocks, and if they tend to fall, they tend to break those first. Every once in a while, I'll be in a trade that is being supported by the 50-day moving average, and I'll use that one as well. For the other two, I'm looking at them more to quantify the overall trend, and that's something else that all the moving averages do. They're basically just quantifying the trend. They're giving you a way to stop yourself out, use them as a time-bound mechanism, and that is how all the masters used those moving averages. That's how I'm using those moving averages. That's how you can use those moving averages. So I hope that helps answer the question, and if you have anything to add about how you use moving averages, drop it down in the comment section below. I would love to hear your perspectives.